Ever noticed how every website suddenly wants your permission to use cookies? Or how companies ask if they can store your data? You can thank something called GDPR for that. And no, it's not just a box you tick. It's a game changer in how your personal data is handled, and it matters more than you think. Let's break it down. GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation. It's a law that was introduced by the European Union in 2018, designed to give you more control over how your personal data is used. Whether you're signing up for a newsletter, buying a pair of shoes online, or sharing photos, your information is protected under GDPR. Did you know that under GDPR, you have the right to ask any company what data they have on you, and even demand they delete it completely? Yep, it's called the right to be forgotten. Pretty cool, right? But here's the thing. GDPR isn't just about protecting users. It's also about holding organizations accountable. That means businesses must ask for clear permission, explain how they'll use your data, and report any serious data breaches within 72 hours. It's all about transparency and trust. So what counts as personal data? Basically anything that can identify you, your name, your IP address, even your Google search history. GDPR ensures this data doesn't fall into the wrong hands. And if companies break the rules, let's just say the fines are massive. We're talking millions of euros. Even major tech giants like Google and Meta have been fined under GDPR. So whether you're a small business or a global company, ignoring GDPR is not an option. Thinking of working in data protection, compliance, or tech law? Then knowing GDPR is essential. Roles like Data Protection Officer, Compliance Manager, Privacy Consultant, all require a solid grasp of these rules. And if you're ready to learn GDPR the right way, you're in good hands. At the Knowledge Academy, we offer expert-led GDPR training to help you understand the law, the rights, and the responsibilities with real-world scenarios included. So next time you see that cookie pop up, just remember, it's not just about snacks. It's about you having power over your data. And that's what GDPR is all about. For more tech laws, privacy insights, and digital skills, subscribe to the Knowledge Academy. Because understanding your data rights, that's smart living.